I hope you are fine, doing well. So today we are gonna solve the problem of the day for 6th February. Let's begin with the problem. Okay, it's here. I don't know how to use it here. Anyways, let's and okay, it's fine. So what is the problem? So given a tuple with same product, right? So actually I have solved this problem in two ways. I will explain you each way, right? So till then I want you to try this problem out first. So let's begin with the problem. So problem is tuple with same product, right? So the given an array nums of distinct positive integer, return the number of tuples a, b, c, d such that a into b is equals to c into d, where a, b, c, d are the element of nums. Okay, and a should not equals to b, should not equals to c, should not equals to d. Okay, so the question is we have given an array called nums, right? And what we have to do, we have to find all the tuples in which a is not equals to b and b is not equals to c and not equals to d, right? Such that a into b equals to c into d. So this is the case. So how to solve this? So in this example we can see that there are only one group of tuple, right, in which 2 into 6, which is 12, is equals to 3 into 4. There is no other possible set, right? So the this is 2 into 6 is equals to 4 into 3, both 12, right? And they are just rotating it, like 2 into 6 into 3 into 3 4, 2 6 4 3, 6 2 3 4, 6 2 4 3, and then 3 4 and 3 4 3 4 3 4. So with one group of set they are creating 8 tuples, right? Similarly with this case, in which 1 2 4 5 10, right? So this is something like 4,5 and 2,10, both are 20. So they are making 8 groups from this, and I think there are also 2 groups, and yeah, 1,10 and 2,5. So 8 from this. So we can say from one set of numbers we can create 8 different tuples. So what we have to return? First we have to find the total number of required sets, and then return 8 into that number, let's say n. Okay, so how to solve this problem? So think about it. So in the native approach, what we can do, we can iterate through so what we can do, we can iterate through iterating with 4 pointers a, b, c, d, and iterate through the arrays with the each pointer, right? So that will be done in 4 iterative loops, right? So that will be the time complexity will be n to the power 4, because there are 4 loops. So that should not be done, because that is a very bakwas time complexity. So how to optimize this? So we can optimize this using sets, right, or HashMap. So what we can do, we can solve this using 2 loops. Okay, so how we can solve? So with I and j, we will we will what we can do, we can put the answer, we put the product of I comma j in the set, and find that the product is there or not, right? So we can eliminate this. We can eliminate the two loops of finding again and again using this set, right? So we can find the product in the set, and we can then store that product in the set, and if the product is available, we can say that these two sets, these two numbers are there. So now this is the code for this. We have initiated a map, we have initiated the answer in the iteration, and we have initiated a temporary array because of this condition. We are creating this array so that we cannot say that the I right, so we can so that we we cannot but okay. So now we are creating another loop for j. X is nothing but the multiply of nums I common nums j, and if x is not in the array, we will put x is 0, and we will increase the count of x, and if x is in sum, we will update it with the answer into 8, right? And then nothing but for we will update s, right? So that's how we will just count the answer, and this will be done in n square. Now what we can, how to optimize this further, right? How to optimize this further? Let's see this problem. This is this solution. What we'll do, we will sort this array, right? And now we'll make a map, and we will just count the total products, right? We'll count all the product, and now what we can do, look into this. What is this? So let's say we have 3 product, 2, 3, 4, right? Count of 2 is 1, so means we got 2 1 time, we got 3 4 time, yeah, or can the 3 time, and we got 4 2 times, right? So that means there are 2 possible sets which makes 4, right? There are 2 possible sets which make 4, so we can take that set. So if I is greater than 1, which means if there are possible sets more than or equal to 2, we will choose 2 sets from all the sets with nc2, which is nothing but n minus 1 by 2. I hope you remember this formula of nc2. We will multiply this with the 8. So this is the mathematical formula for calculating the set, and is this we got the answer, we got our answer. So let's submit this. So yeah guys, we got the best time complexity here with this solution. I hope I am able to make you understand this problem. If thank you for your time. Please go through all other problems which I have explained in different playlist. Like we are also solving the problems from LeetCode 75, so I have created another playlist for that. I suggest you to go through all those problems also. I will start up another series in which I'm gonna explain the different algorithms which can be used in the competitive programming, which are very helpful algorithms in solving DSA, which will also provide you a different perspective to solving the problem. So please stay connected with me. So that you can get the regular updates about these videos also. After explaining these solutions, we will also try to solve these problems. So that's all from my side. I hope if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I have also shared a link of WhatsApp group in which we can discuss multiple things such as different approaches. We can also start some good projects for your resume, for freelancing projects also. I have some projects for freelancing, so you can join the group if you want. So thank you.